Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best treadmill for walking seniors that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the REDLIRO walking treadmill. The long handrail system and safety key make this treadmill stand out for older adults who want stability. The 6-layer belt cushioning is a big plus for joint comfort. The REDLIRO treadmill is built with safety in mind. Handrails run the full deck length, so you can grab on wherever you need. The safety key is a smart touch. If you fall, the key yanks free and the machine stops. That's a real peace of mind boost, honestly. The cushion belt system is gentle on aging joints. 6 layers of padding plus shock absorbers underneath take the sting out of every step. Moving on at number 4, we have the YESOUL walking treadmill for seniors. This treadmill really leans into senior safety with long handrails, an emergency stop, and gentle speeds. The 6-layer belt is easy on joints, and the compact frame fits most spaces. The YESOUL treadmill puts senior safety first. Handrails run the full length so you can grab on whenever you want. The emergency stop button is there if you ever feel off balance. The 6-layer running belt and shock absorbers make walking easier on the knees and hips. If you have arthritis or sensitive joints, you'll probably feel the difference. The LED display keeps things basic, just time, steps, distance. The remote means you don't have to reach for the console, which is honestly nice. If you want to track progress, the YESOUL app connects via Bluetooth. At number 3, we have the CIIHI walking treadmill for seniors. This treadmill is strong on safety with long handrails and a safety key. People like its easy assembly and smooth feel, though some mention the display isn't always spot on. We like how this treadmill puts senior safety front and center. The handrails run the whole length, so you always have something to hold. The folding design is great for tight spaces, and the wheels mean you don't have to drag it. 12 preset programs keep things simple, and you can adjust settings as you get stronger. At number 2, we have the Exerpeutic Senior Fitness Treadmill. This treadmill focuses on recovery and gentle exercise, with full-length safety rails and ultra-slow starting speeds. The extra-wide belt and shock-absorbing deck help with stability and joint comfort. The safety design stands out with full-length assistant rails that run alongside the entire belt. These padded handrails help users maintain balance throughout the workout. An extra forward handrail adds even more security if you need it. The wider belt and cushion deck mean more comfort and room to stride. The 43.5-inch belt length works well for taller folks. 6 shock-absorbing cushions under the deck help protect your joints from repetitive impact. Speed starts at an easy 0.3 miles per hour and increases in small steps. That lets users find a comfortable pace without sudden jumps. And finally, at number 1, we have the FYC walking treadmill for seniors. We analyzed specs and verified buyer feedback for senior-friendly features. Long, supportive handrails, a walk-only speed profile, and a composite shock-absorbing deck aimed at reducing knee/hip impact. The 300-pound rating and safety key cutoff add confidence during recovery or balance-focused walks. The FYC senior lineup leans into safety and comfort. Full-length rails provide steady support from step-on to step-off, while the deck's multi-layer belt and spring system aim to cut repetitive impact, useful if you're managing arthritis or recovering from a procedure. A walk-only speed profile keeps things predictable, and models in this range commonly include a safety tether that stops the belt instantly if pulled. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.